Hi all, welcome back to Java Stream API interview coding series. So this is the third question of our series and the question is find numbers greater than the given value. So here is the input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the given value is 5. So we need to find the numbers from this list who's greater than the value 5. So here the numbers greater than 5 is 6, 7, 8. So here is the expected output as we got is 6, 7, 8. So before we move into the coding part, let's first understand the thinking behind the solution. Once the logic is clear, writing the Stream API code in IntelliJ IDEA becomes very much easy. So let's get started. So here is the logic before code. We have a list of integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are going to read each element from the list. So current element is 1. So once we apply the condition, here 1 is the elements from the list and greater than is the condition and this is 5 is the given input. So since 1 is greater than 5, which condition is false, so it will not add it into the list. So now we are going to move to the next element. So next element is 2. So 2 is also not greater than equal to 5. So it will not get added. Similarly 3, 4, 5 till 5 it will not add it into the list because the condition is false. So once we move into the sixth element of the list, the condition becomes 6 greater than 5, which condition is true. So since the condition is true, it will get added into the list. So output becomes 6. So similarly, when we move into the next element is 7. So 7 greater than 5, condition is true, it will get added into the list. So the updated list is 6 and 7. So once we move to the next element, our next element will be 8. So 8 greater than 5, condition becomes true. So the updated list becomes 6, 7, 8. So finally we will get the output as 6, 7, 8. So this is the theoretical approach. Let's move into the coding section of it. So here I have created a class called find numbers greater than value, which contains main method and it contains list of integer values. So the values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till 8. So let me introduce a local variable here, list of integers. So our requirement was to get the numbers greater than the input value. So here our input value was, let's take the input value as 5. So our requirement is to get the numbers from the list greater than 5. So how to do that using Java Stream API? Let's see. So we have numbers. First we will get converted into Stream API method. Why we need to convert it into Stream? Because it contains ready-made pipeline method. So if you put here dot, you can see different pipeline methods available. So according to your requirement, you can use these methods. So for our requirement, we are going to use filter. So filter accepts predicate, and what is predicate? It is functional interface. So functional interface means what? It contains single abstract method. So since it contains single abstract methods, we can use lambda expression for it. So how to write lambda expression for this? Let's see. So here we are going to write lambda expression for our logic. So here the logic will be number greater than input value. So since after applying the logic, we are going to take that elements, right? So we are going to collect that element. So we will use the collect method. Inside that it is having collectors class. Inside that collectors class we are having dot to list method, which will give us the new list. So let me introduce the local variable here. So if I introduce the local variable and if I try to print the value of the new list, we will get the output as 6, 7, 8. Let me just try to run this program. So when we run the program, see, we got the output as 6, 7 and 8. So guys, if you really found this video helpful, please like the video, share the video to your friend circles and subscribe to my channel. I have given complete Java playlist in the description box, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can put your doubts in the comment section. So whenever I get free times, I can look into it and solve your queries. Happy learning with Java and see you in the next video.